Hello, everyone. I hope you all are doing good. Hi, AT Squad. Hi, Vishal. Hi, Gopinath. Hi, Mohan. Hi, Suharsh. I hope you all are doing great. Yeah, it is starting in just some time. We have started. We are waiting for some more viewers to join in, and then we're going to start the session. So I request you all to please tell me how you all are doing. Hi, Tanvi. So yeah, in today's session, we are going to introduce you guys to artificial intelligence. Hello, everyone. Hello. So nice to see you all. All right. So yeah, let's start with today's session. So in today's session, I will be giving you guys introduction to artificial intelligence. So before starting the session, I would like all of you to please join the Telegram group. The link is shared in the description, sorry, in the chat box. So please join the Telegram group as soon as possible. I have shared it on the screen also. You can quickly scan the QR code and join as well. So yeah, you can join the Telegram group from the link that will be shared in the chat box right now. Or you can, no problem if you have missed two sessions, Gopinath. Which two sessions have you missed? Those were doubt session. If you're talking about doubt session, we don't teach in doubt session. Don't worry. All right. So hello, everyone. Once again, welcome to the training session. In this training session, we are going to learn about artificial intelligence, and we are going to make an activity related to AI only. Okay. So before starting, once again, we are going to watch this video so that you all understand everything about Codeavour 2022 international competition. All right. So yeah, I'm going to share sound and yeah.
For the fourth consecutive year, bringing you the biggest international AI and programming competition for kids, Codeavour 2022 International 4th Edition. To make kids aware and inspire them to brainstorm over emerging issues, to make the world a better place, kids need to build solution-based projects on the following theme: save the environment, strengthen the health infrastructure, revolutionize the agriculture, automate the surroundings, make smart transportation system. You can make anything and everything you want, from stories to games, from software-based AI projects to hardware-based projects. PictoBlox, an international AI education and coding platform. You can learn to code, make interactive animations and games, interesting projects based on AI, program actions for robots, and much more. With PictoBlox app now available on Play Store, you can even make your project for the competition on the go. Anyone above 7 years old and falling under 3 age groups can. Yes, you can either participate as a one-person army or in a team of 2 with your coding buddy. Follow these 3 easy steps to participate. Register by entering the team details on the contest portal. Prepare to enhance your coding and AI skill via self-learning material and AI bootcamps. Now that you have the skills required, it's time to show the world what you have got. Submit your project brief, project file, and the project video. Now all you have to do is sit back and wait for the results. Registration for Codeavour 2022 International starts on 10th of October. The last date to submit your project is 10th January 2023. You can register anytime between 10th of October and 10th of January 2023. The winners of Codeavour 2022 International will be announced on 31st January 2023. Participants stand a chance to win more than 60 prizes worth $20,000 in total. Along with the cash prizes up to $1,000, all the winners will also receive a medal, certificate, and the official Codeavour 2022 AI t-shirt. Participate in the biggest online AI and programming competition for kids with more than 3 lakh plus participants, 1,000 plus schools, 1 lakh plus teams from 90 plus countries. So, what are you waiting for? Registration starts today.
So I hope you got the overview of Codeavour 2022, one of the biggest AI and coding competition, which gives you the international exposure as well. All right, so yeah, moving forward. Now coming to all about artificial intelligence, and in this session, of course, we are going to focus on AI only. So first of all, we should understand what intelligence exactly is. So according to me, scoring full marks is intelligence, but scoring average marks is also intelligence. You grabbing or grasping the information, what is being taught, is something necessary than getting full marks. That is what we focus on this competition also. As you know that in this competition, winning or losing doesn't matter. You participating, you learning something new matters the most. And what intelligence is, having that common sense in you so that you can take decisions in any type of situation that arises in your life. That is intelligence. That common sense that you carry in yourself. That for me is intelligence. And you should be proud for that. So, what do you think? What is intelligence for you all? So, you can tell me it in your own words in the chat box. You can tell me what do you think intelligence is for you all. We will be taking the doubts at the end also, and we will be having doubt session as well. So, don't worry if you have any doubt, of course, we're going to solve it. So, I'm looking forward for the answers. Being able to learn something is intelligence. Exactly. Yes. Being able to learn something. Intelligence is understanding a concept well and applying it. Very good. 80 squad, good job. Yeah. Intelligence is understanding a concept and a amazing answer. Great. Fantastic. Being able to understand something. Yes. Being able to understand something. Exactly. Great, guys. Yeah. So that is what intelligence is. You able to understand something, you able to grab that knowledge. So right, I'm going to teach you here. I'm going to teach all of you. So it's on you if you want to look at, other YouTube videos while I'm teaching you, or if you want to focus on what I am teaching you and grabbing the information, grabbing the, sharpening your intelligence through these sessions so that they will help you to compete in this competition. All right. Okay. Now coming to artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence is, when you are teaching the machine to do something. That is what artificial intelligence is. When you're teaching the machine and you are making that machine more powerful, giving that machine more brain, more, I would say, intelligence. That is artificial intelligence, right? You have smart TVs, smart ACs, smart refrigerators, smartphones. Everybody uses smartphones. There is no one who don't use smartphone in this century, right? Your grandparents grandparent, they also know how to take a selfie. Even they are keen to learn. So artificial intelligence is playing the major role right now, because everywhere you have a lot of smart devices in your house, with you right now also you're using a smart device, which is helping us to lower the manpower, lower the energy usage. That is what I think artificial intelligence is. Teaching computer so that our manpower is applied less than usual. That is what I think artificial intelligence is. I will be coming to your questions. If you have some questions, please wait. And because right now we are focusing on teaching, right? So if you have any questions, kindly wait. We will be taking them up. Don't worry. Okay. So that is what artificial intelligence is, right? So whenever a computer, how a computer is termed to be intelligent? A computer is termed to be intelligent, only when that computer is able to process the information, give us the output that we want at a lower time, accurate output, right? That is, so suppose if I want to enter data of all the participants one by one, it's going to take me a whole day or maybe 2 days as well, right? Entering all the data of participants manually into computer will take a lot of time, but that same thing computer can do in few seconds, right? That is why computer is termed as intelligent, because the computer is gathering the information very fast, very quickly. It's processing the information very quickly. It's giving us the output, the desired output that we want very quickly. No, not right now. It is for you don't need to open the machine learning environment. Okay. Then moving on the advantages of artificial intelligence. So yeah, advantages are speed. Speed is one of the most biggest advantage of artificial intelligence. In computers, in smart TVs, in smart refrigerators, you don't need to worry about anything. It will work themselves. They will work themselves. You don't need to worry about it, right? Then you have, they are not lazy. Of course, the computer is never lazy. You can ask the computer to do that same amount of work as many times as you want to. Humans will get tired, but the computer will never get tired. It may run out of the battery, but it will never get tired of doing that same work. They are not lazy. You have mobile phones. Every day, my mobile phone wake me up at 6 o'clock in morning. My mobile doesn't get tired of waking me up, right? Then we have accuracy. Very accurate. All the devices are very accurate. Look at the smart ACs nowadays. They are very accurate. So right now there are ACs coming up in the market, which changes the temperature according to the room. So it will lower the temperature if the room temperature is high. It will make the room, it will turn the temperature high if the temperature of the computer is very low. So they are very accurate. They sense their surroundings and they act accordingly, right? They are less biased. So earlier, what we used to do is we used to have few years back, or you can say 20, 30, 40 years back, we used to have computers for desired thing only. So there are computers just for mathematical calculation. There were computers just for scientific work. There were computers just for research work, thesis and everything like that. But now you take one computer, you can do everything in that computer. I have a MacBook. I can use that MacBook however I want to. I do my office work in it. I do my college work in it. I do everything in it. I don't need to buy another device for that purpose. Exactly, Mohan. They don't have feelings. They can do that same thing again and again. They no need to worry about it. All right. Then moving forward, then how is artificial intelligence shaping smart cities? One of the most, I would say, the areas is not that it is making your life easy, making, they're not just till computers. AI is not just limited to computers. It is unlimited. There are a lot of ways in which you can implement artificial intelligence in any ways, right? Then security. The security is, nowadays we have Ring doorbells. Ring is a company in which they offer doorbells which have camera, built-in camera, built-in motion detector. They are using artificial intelligence to secure our homes. In USA, if any of your relatives, or if you live in USA or in any country, you open one window from outside, all the alarms will go on, and there will be a message sent to the police station in some time. So these are various ways, our AI is making our turning our cities smart. Then we have maintenance. Maintenance. We have robots for maintenance. We have robots and machines that predict future needs. We have machines for controlling pollution. We have parking systems, automatic parking systems using AI in them. Public transportation. Nowadays, bullet trains. They also use artificial intelligence. Of course, they use it, right? Yeah. Now coming to applications of AI, there are a lot of applications. All of you must be knowing gaming. Gaming is one of the biggest application of artificial intelligence. There are a lot of games which use AI. A lot of games. A lot of you might have played PUBG or Free Fire, right? So you know that in PUBG or Free Fire or Call of Duty, you use your fingers and you move the player around and you kill the enemies, you shoot, you change your guns. So how it is detecting everything? AI only, na? It is detecting you, changing your thumb direction. I request this person, I don't know the name. I'm typing the name. I request you to please wait and don't interrupt while I'm teaching. Thank you so much. If you have doubts, please wait for some time. As I already said, I will be taking up all the doubts. Don't worry, we have specific doubt sessions also. All right. Then we have export systems. So in your mobile phone, we have touch IDs, right? We have touch IDs, and our mobile phone only opens up when we, use our thumb, or face recognition system also is there, right? So yeah, there are a lot of applications of artificial intelligence. Now, before moving to the activity, I want all of you to download PictoBlox in your device. So if you have not downloaded PictoBlox, you can quickly uh, type in download PictoBlox on your browser, click on the first link, and you can select your device from here. You can select Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, iOS. You can just select your device, and then you can download the application. Okay, it is not necessary to have a laptop to participate in this competition. You can make your projects using mobile phones as well. All right, great. So now coming to the activity. So in this session, we are going to make the activity of face filter. So what we are going to do, we are going to make a face filter application. Okay, and that face filter application, what we are going to do is we are going to analyze the image of the person who was using the application. Then we are going to put a face filter, any face filter of your choice, on that person's face. If you have used Snapchat, you might be knowing that we use Snapchat. Snapchat analyzes our image, our face. It analyzes the face, then it puts that particular face filter on our face, right? And it sets the width, the size of the face filter according to the face only. That is what we are going to make today. We are going to make a face filter application. We are going to add a little magic spice to it. And what that magic spice will be, we are going to add an expression detector in that face filter. So once you are using that face filter, of course, the filter will come up on your face. But with that, we are going to detect the expression also. So if I'm happy, it will say happy. If I'm sad, it will say sad, but it will also put face filter on my face. All right. Yeah, there are so many filters on Snapchat. Exactly. So now I will be moving to PictoBlox application. Once again, if you have not downloaded the PictoBlox application, I request you all to download it as soon as possible, because this is the application in which you have to make your device, you have to make your projects, and you have to submit your projects in SP3 file as well. All right. Now coming to the face filter application. So I'm going to turn off my camera and I'm going to use my PictoBlox camera. Okay. So before that, how face filter works, you have to turn on your camera and then it will analyze the image and it will show and it will put that particular face filter on your face, right? So for that, what we have to do, we have to load in the extension that is face detection extension. So you have to go in the extension section over here and click on the face detection extension. After loading it, we have to use the first block to turn on the video on the stage with 0% transparency. Okay, so this is the major block that we will be using. All right. After this, what I want to do is I want my face filter application to analyze image, right? After analyzing only, I can put face filter on the face, right? So for that, I have to use analyze image from camera. But one thing is this, that I want the image to be analyzed until I am executing the whole script. So for that, I will be using for loop. So I will go back in control palette and grab for loop. Okay. After this, what I want to do is I want one thing. Okay, I'm so sorry, guys. So we don't have to code in Toby sprite. We have to load in the face filter sprite. My bad. I'm going to delete Toby. Okay, so this is the face filter sprite. You can choose your costumes from here. You can choose any face filter that you want. We have 10 face filters. You can create more if you want to. All right. So yeah, I'm going to choose crown. Okay, let's choose this one. Okay. Once again, what we have to do, we have to turn on this video on stage. This is the stage, if you remember. This is the stage, this white part, on which we have the crown. So I want to turn on the video on the stage with 0% transparency and want to analyze image from camera. And I want the image to be analyzed in a forever loop. Why is that? Because I want to analyze image until I stop the execution of the code. All right. After this, what I want to do is, after this, I want the crown to say the expression that is going to be detected from my face. So what I will use the say hello block for 2 seconds. I can increase the seconds if I want to, but I think 2 seconds are good enough. I will go back in face detection extension and grab the get expression of the face. So it will be getting the expression of the face, and then the crown filter will say the expression. So okay, let's test this out. You can say that it is saying the expression, that expression that I am making. Okay, let me turn off the video. After this, you can see that face filter is there, but it is not coming on top of my head. So for that, what we need to do is we need to set the X and Y position of the face filter. So I will grab set X and set Y position. And which X and Y position will be of that face filter? It will be according to our face, right? In Snapchat also, if you move your face, the filter moves with you. Here also, we want to do the same thing. If I'm moving my face, if I'm increasing or decreasing the X and Y position of my face, I want the sprite, that is the face filter sprite, the crown, to follow me. For that, I need to set the X position of the crown to the X position of face. So I will get the X position of face. With that, I have to set the Y position also. So I will get the Y position of face and set the Y position of crown to the Y position of my face. So that is how I'm going to set the X and Y position. Okay, any doubt till here, anyone? I'm open to all the doubts that you guys are having. I can solve that. If you don't have any doubt, that's good. You can take the session forward then. That's great, Mercy. Anyone else having any doubt? That's great. Amazing. Okay. So don't worry, if you have any doubt, I will be taking them at the end of the session also. So no need to worry. Okay. So now let's check it out. Let's test the script. I will click on this first block. All right. So I'm moving and the face filter is also moving. But there is one thing that is not good over here. You can see that the face filter size is way bigger than my face. It is not according to my face, right? So for that, what I will be doing is, we will be setting the sprites size to the size of my face. For that, what we have to do, we have to go in looks palette, right? Because we are changing the look of the sprite. We will grab the set size, and what size we have to set it to? The size of the face. So I will go back in the face detection extension and get the width of the face, because we want the width of the face to change the size of the face filter. Okay, now let's click on it once again and let's see. Yep, now you can see that the width is according to my face only, and it is moving with me. I'm having a great crown on top of my head. But one thing is off here. What is that? Again and again, I have to click on this particular whole block to run my script. But I don't want to do that. I want to click on one particular thing to execute my whole script. So what I will do, which block I will use? Javik analyze image means, so okay, let me tell you in layman's language. So suppose you are, you are asked to identify a butterfly. Okay, your teacher says that, tell me what is a butterfly and difference between butterfly and a bird. You will analyze them, right? You will see that, okay, this is a butterfly, this is a bird. You are analyzing it, you are understanding the difference, you are capturing the image in your mind, and then you are, okay, you are putting it into the category of bird or butterfly. Same over here, we are analyzing the image, and then we are putting that face filter on top of the head, or in front of my eyes if it is hard goggles, or beard if it is, then on on my chin, around my chin, or on my neck, right? That is why we are analyzing the image from camera, because after analyzing, then the computer will be able to understand where the face is, how the face structure is, and how it have to put the face filter on top of it. Okay, I hope it is clear to you, Jen. Yes, 80 squad and Nilesh, great. We have to use the green flag button that is from events. That is when green flag is clicked. Very good, 80 squad and Nilesh, great, good job, both of you. So yeah, now whenever I press on the green flag, it will start the execution of my whole code. Okay, let's click on the green flag and let's test it out. You can see that it is saying I'm happy, as well as it is also saying that it is also putting the face filter on top of my head, right? So if I want, I can change the face filter. I can go in costumes. I can change the face filter to mustache. I can go back in blocks and I can run the script once again. Yeah, so you can see that it is coming on like near my nose or near my this area, the upper lip area. So yeah, this is how you can make your face filter application. Okay, so I'm just going to give a wrap up, and I'm going to just give you a quick recap of this activity. So what we are doing, we are turning on the camera on stage with 0% transparency. In a forever loop, we are analyzing the image from camera. So the analyzing image will help us to understand the face structure. It will help the computer to understand the face structure. It will help the computer to put the face filter exactly where it is required to be, right? Then we are using a say block to get the expression of the face. Then we are using the set X and Y block to set the X and Y position of face. So X and Y position of the filter according to the face. After it, we are setting the size of that particular sprite to the width of the face. Okay. So now I'm open to all the doubts that you are having, and I'm going to solve all of them. I hope you were able to understand this activity. And you make angry face. Yeah, you can make angry face. It will detect the expression, of course. Yeah, you can use the next one also. Very good. Potresh, we can use the next one also when key pressed. So you can press any key to start your application, to start the face filter application. Yeah, you can do that too. I'm open to all the doubts. When we analyze image, the box is over the face. Can we remove that? Yes, we can remove that. So to remove that, you have to just use one block, that is hide bounding box. So that is bounding box. That is just used to analyze and everything. So yeah, you can just remove that. I'm sorry, I have to add it afterwards. So yeah, it will hide. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm using my Zoom camera also. Let me close my Zoom camera. You can see that it is not there now. Right? And it is analyzing my image from camera and it is not there. That is actually bounding box. It is just used to tell you that, okay, this is where the face is. It is just to locate the face. Any other doubt? Anyone? Sir, how face filter can know which part of your face should be covered, position like crown or head? Great question, Jeffrey. So face filters, if you go back to costumes over here, you can see all of the face filters, they are created this way. The crown is on the top, right? The mustache is on the bottom, like over here in the middle. The bunny ears are on the top like this. Then beard is at the bottom like this. So we have created them this. You have to create them this way only. Okay, and they will understand. Okay, suppose if I want to add another costume, let's add another costume. Let's paint. I'm not that good with painting and all, so please excuse me. So I want to add maybe a smile. Oh my God, the worst smile ever. Yeah, let's just make it a little pretty or make it a little bit naughty. Okay. So now you can see that it is coming here where we are smiling, right? So it will detect itself. It also depends on how you are making it. You're making it on the top. So look, the crown is on the top. So you can see that this is the face, suppose, and this is the crown on top. Okay. So yeah, that is how you have to do it. I hope it is clear to you, Javik. Any other doubt, anyone? I'm open to all the doubts that you are having. So can we do it in smartphone? Yes, you can do it in smartphone, of course. Hello, Divya. You can do it in smartphone also. So now I request all of you to please scan this QR code and fill the attendance come feedback form. I'm also going to share the link in the chat box with you all. You can fill the feedback form. Yeah, this is what the feedback form looks like. You have to fill the feedback form and then you can take the things forward from there. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining in today's session. I hope you learned something new. I hope everything was clear to you all. If you have any doubt, do not worry. We will be taking doubt sessions with you as well. Okay? So don't worry. Thank you so much once again, and I will see you in the next session. Bye. Thank you so much once again, and I will see you in the next session. Bye.